Hey guys, today's recipe is Creamy Pineapple Parfaits, so let's get into it. So first you're going to need some Greek yogurt, Fage Total 0% is my favorite, and also Cool Whip, and then you're going to need some granulated sugar, some granola, this has some almonds in it, and some pineapple. Okay, real simple y'all. So you just grab your bowl and we're going to add our Greek yogurt into the bowl, and then we're going to add our Cool Whip and our sugar and blend it together. That's it until we get to the pineapples. Alright, so here's our Cool Whip. Okay, and lastly, just add your sugar right in. Now you can use a whisk or you can use a spoon to mix everything together, but I like to use a combination between a spoon and a hand mixer just to make sure that sugar is well blended into the mix. Mix it till you think it's pretty well blended, and then you want to go ahead and grab your spoon and make sure to stir from the bottom and all on the sides and stuff like that to make sure that you have the sugar fully incorporated so it's not all grainy. If you mix it well, you won't have that problem with this parfait. Alright, just like that, nice and creamy. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and blend our pineapples. I'm using my Ninja, so the pineapples aren't overly processed. I'm just putting them in there and pulsing them a few times, and then after that, they're good to go. I'll put my top on there. If you don't have a Ninja, you got to get one. This thing is so convenient. It does everything. Everything. It has several attachments. Okay, one more time. And then it's good to go. I'm gonna show you all. You can use canned pineapple, or this is what this is, or you can buy it fresh, or you can just use a crushed pineapple, whatever your preference is. I prefer to buy the chunks and go ahead and process it myself, just my thing. When you get ready to put your pineapple into the bowl, you want to make sure that you separate as much of the pineapple from the juice as possible. You don't want your parfait to be watered down, I guess you can say, from the juice from the pineapple. All I'm doing is scooping and I'm pressing as I go so I can try to eliminate as much of that liquid as possible. So I'm just going to use a nice little glass and go ahead and start plating this dessert. You can also use one of those little small mason jars. So we're going to start with our mixture on the bottom, and of course we're going to alternate with the pineapple, and we're going to end with the mixture and then add the granola on top. You just add it in there and press down a little bit so then it, moves to the sides of your glass. And also what I did, you all, is after I blended the mixture together, I went ahead and put it back in the refrigerator. Your ingredients are on the counter for a few minutes. They start to warm up. Preference of mine is to eat my parfaits ice cold, as cold as I can get them. So I just put everything back in the refrigerator until I was ready to put it together so I could eat it. And I would go ahead and eat the parfait after you put it together, of course, because then it warms up, and then the pineapple in there with the mixture, of course, liquid will start to form after so long. With this size glass, I can get quite a big parfait in here. So my mixture makes about 2 parfaits. So if you're feeding more than 2 people, of course you want to double or triple the recipe depending on how many people are eating the parfaits. This is a great healthy alternative to a dessert in the evening. A lot of times this is something that I'll make versus having something like cheesecake. Oh my god, my favorite. So easy to whip together. These ingredients you can have on hand all the time. Great recipe for the summer. Also a fun recipe to make with kids. And also you can add, so many different toppings. You can use a pineapple, but you can also use a cherry pie filling. It's really good with this mixture. Blueberries, strawberries. Peaches would be good as well. Alright, so we're adding our last scoop of the mixture on top. And then we're going to go ahead and add the granola. And like I told you all earlier, the granola has almonds in it. And oh my god, it's got a little hint of honey. Use whatever your favorite granola is. I picked it up from Kroger. It's just a regular store brand. And that is it, y'all. Super simple. As always, we hope that you like this recipe. Please like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time.